How to make the best measurements in wintertime. Another regular inspection of bee colonies in cold winter with the usage of Apivox auditor was carried out at the Russian Research Institute of Beekeeping with the participation of employees of the institute.
Сейчас пойду проводить контроль на пасеке НИИП пчеловодства по дрезанию. Сейчас температура минус градусов 10. Через нижние литки пчел плохо слышно. Здесь у нас все замеры практически более-менее нормально делаются.
We examined 3 groups of bee colonies. 2 groups were in the premises, 1 group in the open air. Families in the premises were in different state. In the room 1, bees were disturbed with noise of harvesting of dead bees and cleaning of the porches. In room 2, the bees were calm. On the street, some families were calm. Others were disturbed by knocks on the hives. Monitoring results showed that in winter, when you want to control hibernating at low temperatures bees, it is optimal to use of the upper porch of the hives. This gives almost direct contact with the wintering bees. Sound can be heard perfectly if the control is carried out through the lower entrance. The best result is obtained when you use for control the built-in microphone, as it has a better sensitivity. Measurements using a wired microphone does not always produce reliable results, especially if the family is very calm. In this case, you need to measure from the top through the lap, or better using upper porches of the hives. The inspection results are fully in line with the state of the bees. In room 2 was fixed the least anxiety of bees. Signal levels were lowest, and their values were approximately 2.5 or 3 times more than the background signals. In the room 1 levels increased, and their values were 3 or 4 times more than the values of background signals. There was also a shift of the signal peak in the direction the higher frequency region. The hives outside showed us the same picture. Families which were not disturbed showed approximately the same results as in the room. Bees of the hives, which were disturbed by the strikes, showed greater excitement. Signal levels rose even higher, and exceeded the background values up to 5 or 6 times. Also, signal peak almost shifted into the adjacent range. This means that the frequency change was from 30 to 40 Hz in the direction of higher frequencies. Moreover, we think that for wintertime it's better to use upper porch for measurements, or install a hole similar to that in the picture and place the mic through it each time when you want to make control. It can help to eliminate echoing noise from lower porch. You may keep the opening closed with a cork when not in use. Or, you can make the cork from the foam with a microphone inside, and insert it instead of the main cork during measurements, or leave it on its place. It's very good for winter and for summer. The holes are close to logistic zone if it is lower box, in summer, and to wintering bees if it is upper box, in winter. Before making measurement in general state control mode, especially in winter, have a look for a few time to signal in monitoring mode. You must clearly see in the range 200,000 to 400 Hz that this is the sound of bees. It looks like small hills, not like separate sticks getting out from the background. Maybe you will see picture of the wind in 50,100 Hz. Only after this you can say that you are hearing the bees, and may start measurement. If not, measurement will be useless.